This video is going to be about research in the social sciences. Webster Dictionary defines social science as the scientific study of human society and social relationships. Social sciences encompass a broad range of disciplines that aim to describe, explain, and predict human behavior and institutional structures as they interact with their environments. Some examples of social sciences are anthropology, sociology, demography, geography, economics, psychology, and policy. As West Chester University students, we are required to complete 2 behavioral and social science courses in order to graduate. Our options include anthropology, psychology, sociology, economics, geography, and government. The Department of Anthropology and Sociology is most associated with the social sciences here at West Chester, although the Psychology Department, Economics and Finance Department, and the Geography and Planning Department are all associated with social sciences as well. Because social sciences have a variety of topics, ideas that are associated with it can include anything from abortion, serial killers, poverty, or nuclear power. Basically, any topic that has to do with human society can be classified as a social science-related idea. Research in social sciences answers how people interact and why people behave in certain ways. The goal of research in sociology is to investigate the connections between what society makes of us and what we make of ourselves. A common question asked in the social sciences is why do people behave the way they do in certain situations? There are many different types of research methods in the social sciences. Ethnography is the first-hand study of people using participant observation or interviewing. You tell a group of people you're studying them and get insight on what it's like to be a part of their group. You also get an extended observation of social perspective and cultural values on an entire social setting. Field research is when a researcher interacts with and observes a person and gathers data along the way. Participant observation is when a researcher joins people and participates in a group's routine activities to experience what it's like to be a part of their social life. For a survey, the researcher asks subjects to provide answers to a structured questionnaire. Finally, a case study is an in-depth analysis of a single event, situation, or individual. After completing an experiment of the social sciences, one acquires an understanding of human behavior and how society acts as a whole. One famous experiment in the social sciences that you may have learned about is Philip Zimbardo's Stanford Prison Experiment. A fake prison was set up and the role of prisoner or guard was randomly assigned to different men. The results of the experiment helped us to better understand power and relationships. The guards formed a power-hungry identity and participated in cruel forms of abuse that they normally never would have partaken in. A research article in the social sciences closely resembles a research article of a scientific study. There's an abstract, introduction, empirical setting, experiment design, results, and a conclusion or discussion. Appropriate writing strategies are a clear introduction and thesis that explains what the paper will challenge, an explanation of what prior research indicates, an analysis of what your data indicates, and an inclusion on what others' objections might be. It's also very important to clearly explain to the readers why they should care about the topic you're researching. Experience is often used directly in social science research. Scholars often follow a group of people around and observe what it's like to be a part of that specific group. These experiences help them in their research with real examples that actually happen to them. If you want to learn more about research in the social sciences, you can find a lot of information on almost any university website. The following link also has a lot of information. Thank you!